Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Me pacho, omampani, me pacho, me sre, me pacho, National Security, BNI, CID, me pacho di amami ni Bulldog, yesremo. Ya pamocho na omano enkoso asundwiemu obi fum kuma ya mfum ndwa ya siramo omampani wo tumi pa Ghana constitution e mo omampani tumi wo tumi una appoint chief justice una appoint auditor general wo tumi pa nso ya sirawo Bulldog sa o ye ketekete omangana so asudi ya da so ne so ti e be sere omampani mi gina eye me amanamu edi ye radio station ye media house besre ye nua Bulldog me paw chow omampani sade otumi yi prisoners obi a court kra convicting no de nakotu prerogative power of mercy power of pardon the omampani sem besre omampani fache reason biantia ya detain Bulldog no ye besre ne yangin Ghana enkanko ni andwin Ghana empuntuo ni andwin sadia COVID-19 ama enwuma ne asetere mu ayede no ekwan ba ne ebefa so. We have so many things to concern ourselves with than these remarks. Se Bulldog ka de wan kan yiye gina ye besere mi bu nkotodwe me de me se to me nsayam asire omampani sa hwe wanyankopon anim na kasa kire eye security operatives no na Bulldog entumi nkofie na busuafo nso akoma ntom yam ye besere ye be pacho te wutu momonefo no na wutu aginamoafo Bulldog nso mesrew omampani akonya no aye dibri so. It is the sovereignty of the state oman to me ehye enti yebesrese ye kasanso a ye mpanifo omampani a watwamu me ye nkasentia won omoye eja. He is the first gentleman of the land. Say ye gu omani wase ne ye bre won ase a ye bre oman na se omani to me ehye won sa akonfuna no a womudi swan no the power and the sovereignty of the state. Eti mesre minua Bulldog nso se aya wo kasa bi wo ho a aya hweniye ani sa abufuo ni akoma no a wode kan ebia you don't mean it but said the eba out no obi tia ehye na bufuo opani ajekum ena ade bi okana asem wo pisa fam kokroko se senka wanka enka edien ene beba esre minia bu Hansen nso ufiri mu fia ubetumi ya kire wadwen nanso sabe ekwan bi a obefa so beka no enko hye bufuo enko fanchi nnua emma timesrew. You can state your case without insulting. You can state your case without prejudicing it. Timesre se nyankopon wadom na ufi tibia wo mu sesia and Akufo beka so waka mfa ya kanfo watutuo ne kanfo dampan esrew se ufi mu fia na wo so wahwe wo kasa yi edase. Breaking news se enkwafo bi akwafa ye nuabema Bulldog Hansen asiama ama ebeye je nsamu kukoso a na babi ya chichira aboa no eho anso eniema. Uncle Rex Omar awanso. Uncle Rex, good evening.
Good evening, Matana today.
Yehu adom yehu ye pa. Wadaro ma besa na nsane e wonchen ne ba ye ma ye nya ne nte se enkrofo bi akofa Bulldog ama babi a ya hwe ne yehunu akire ye kwaduadua mu a akire kura na Bulldog koka aprosifo nsa ensam no akosi sei eden na obetumi akanfa the latest information on Bulldog.
Yo me da se me cheche for na we de men kasa bebre enche bia be 30 minutes me na Bulldog lawyer ene me kasa say Oma granting bail nti no asema wetin aka kakra no so me say ya granting bail me ever since me enra na me Bulldog kasa but ene de me nya no ne kasa na me hu no kra nti no but no kra na down say he's been granted bail
na just say if ibra ya chi Bulldog no udua mu u follow up
papa enra nyina from we are 2 na me police headquarters me Sadiq me other guys Farrell and Zori ne a whole lot of people now yeah for a long time it's when him rebel 7 kwa it you know you did you more you na machire be kwan bia ni bibia e betimi ai said be ai be yenia no e be free friends say be bia akwhye no but nyakopon atom ne lawyer no ene empanfo bebre aboa ma sese wanya bill
lawyer no ma wunya ntie ye no ne oye okay onyare bi obekasa make hospital ana bi ayabome ana ntontom aweme ana manya malaria ana awode me
oh the descend ra me ankasa me hu no it we the lawyer akache me de me ankasa me hu no ra me ne din komo no he was very fine he was in a high spirit na ojo bia said ya se hu abona na waboto na say the hu den you know now it's like it's a normal Bulldog and you know and then na bibia no ade kire se obi aye ni bibia you know and so
enti andra wo hu Bulldog wo hefa
me hu no police headquarters
yo na didie mu te sai odidi ye 3 days onya aduane di
oh I know the man bisano but I think you say me hu no na situation o say e friend say come dey na o say Bulldog come dey in there ka we hu Bulldog come dey no so na me ado my friend say me hu now he was okay
na ni mood te say why soba na ewura ho
man who be bisa who say I don't think say insem no kan even though kan no bia na omeni bibi bad you know it's like a normal stuff you know man who say me wura ho bia na waye mobo bitisa but at the same time na he was normal he was okay
Uncle Rexomaya better say so one my update the release of Bulldog Hansen Esiama has been granted bail according to a lawyer and efforts by Uncle Rexoma Sadiq nom ene omo keka ho na metumi aka say omo kwobua ma ye release Bulldog no omo ye NDC fo ana
oh there be because we dey politics asem a friend say mpanyifo bebre omo pe Bulldog asem ni nkoro mpanyifo bebre so omo fi say even though enye se mpanyifo ne foa na sem okan no so but emom no said the beya ebema kamibamin kabia na say freedom of speech no say we yanto na jeje mu ntini mpanyifo bebre we kire omo aboa said the beya ye beyi Bulldog na emom na sempa e wo fie no ya ba beka say kasa ya kasa ewo public no we say TV so say radio so no whether we a politician or whether we a MPC or MPP yeah yema enchine kakra engum because yana sometimes the kasa ni bia no ehye people be can dey change the Bulldog kan a omo na free it no say yeah ne ma yenye Ghana ye baako emra ye baako say emra timi yi a friend say Abeku Santana the same brand timi say timi yi the friend say Rexoma but enko ba say Abeku Santana ya dia no the friend on na ho twatia na Rexoma ko ye dia ne akochi na tim no ne sa ne ma na say na ye ka ho ase
okay